Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another banger. If you're new here, welcome. Hit that subscribe button and comment down below. Everybody thumbs up this video and let's get right into it. Today I will be doing a hair review for alipearlhair. As you can see, I have it installed right now. Just want to give y'all a little bit of detail. This hair is 26 inches. It's really long on me. As you can already see the luster in his hair, like. But this hair is 26 inches. It is 200% density, so it is very full. It is very full. Y'all, I love this hair. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I know y'all probably see me running my hands through it, which I'll probably do this whole video. But I just can't help it. It's so soft. I had this hair in for a good 3 days, and baby, it is a HD lace. It's HD lace, so it's giving very much scalp. I will be inserting a clip of me getting this hair installed. In the clip of the video, you're not gonna see this swoop. I just put this swoop in. I thought it would be cute just to add. I will also be putting the hair details down below so you can know more information about this hair. It'll also be a link so you can get this exact hair that I have in my head right now. Yeah, I just love this hair. Like, you're gonna see in the clip, like, when I just first opened it, I was just like happy. Like, it was so just, yeah. And of course, every hair sheds, but this hair, I've barely gotten any shedding. Like, let me see if I can get some out. Like, look, I don't know if you can see it. It's just one string. Let me do it again. Nothing. Barely sheds. I feel like with this hair, it'll probably last me a good 2 or 3 years with proper care. And yeah, come with me to get my hair done. See you in the next clip.